Hello, welcome back to Rainbow Ranch Farms. My name is Ksenia. I hope you're doing very, very well today. I'm going to show you a little more in depth on how I make my schmaltz, which is rendered chicken fat. I save up all my chicken fat, and when I have enough to fill my slow cooker with the chicken fat, I just stick it all in there until it's full to the top, put the lid on, and put it on low. Rendered chicken fat is amazing. It adds a really buttery richness to the foods and a flavor. I don't buy bouillon cubes, so this works very well for me. And I also cook with, fats from the pig, fats from our cows, fats from the lamb. But today I'm going to show you how I make a very simple set it and forget it chicken schmaltz. Fantastic flavoring. It's really simple to do. And it has a medium high point, and which is actually higher than that of butter. So it's wonderful for me. So here I've got it on the lid, and it's going to take about 2 days for it to get to the point to where I like it. So here's the second day after I've already started. So that was day 1. This is day 2. And it's really cooking quickly and efficiently, and it's still on low. I only have a few settings on this particular slow cooker. And this slow cooker is what I use to render all my fats in. I don't use my Instant Pot for it. This is day 3. So this is day 3. This is what it looks like. The heavies have settled to the bottom, and I am now going to strain all that wonderful, delicious rendered fat from the chickens. See that golden color. Once it's completely cooled, I strain it. Do not attempt to strain it if it's hot. You will burn yourself. You can spill it. It can burn. Don't attempt it, please. And the slow cooker is kind of heavy. So I use both hands, and I also use those oven mitt type things, whatever they're called, pads. And here it is. I'm going to let it cool even further, and then I'm going to put it into my jar and put it in the refrigerator. And it doesn't really last that long around here because I use fats for everything. I don't buy oil for anything. So I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you got some value out of it. And it's always free to subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a beautiful comment.